Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new to my channel, kindly don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to share. Don't forget to leave your comments. So let's get straight into the video. And of course, I'm back with another amazing video. So today I'm preparing coconut mahamri. And we have our ingredients here. We have wheat flour 3/4 kg, coconut milk, a spoon of yeast, a spoon of salt and sugar, and also baking powder. So let's get straight into the mixing. So in this process I'm going to use hot oil. So start by adding your hot oil. Then after that you can now add your sugar, your baking powder, your yeast, and make sure you mix them properly. After everything is mixed properly, we can now add our coconut milk. We are not going to use water, so add your coconut milk till you get a dough. And before I forget, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to turn on your notification bell so when I post a video next time you get notified. And we have our dough here. So again, cover it for 15 minutes. After the 15 minutes, you can now roll it and cut it into your favorable shapes. After you're done cutting your shapes, again cover it for 5 minutes. Now after that you can now start deep frying your mahamris. Before you remove them, make sure they give you that brown or golden color so that you can remove it. And also do the same to the second procedure. And finally we have our coconut mahamri here. They just look so amazing. So if you really enjoyed my video, kindly don't forget to hit that subscribe button, don't forget to turn on your notification bell, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, don't forget to share, don't forget to leave your comments. So till next time, bye.